Hello, my name is Claire Schmidt, and I'm an academic advisor in the College of Science and Engineering. And now that you've had some time to reflect on exploring majors and you were able to look at some four-year plans, we're going to dive deeper into the details of your degree here at the University of Minnesota. Your degree is made up of three distinct parts: university-wide requirements that everyone completes regardless of college or major, college-specific requirements that are unique to CSE, and major-specific requirements. The university-wide requirements include writing and liberal education. For the university writing requirements, there are 5 required courses. First is Writing 1301, University Writing, which is usually taken during your first year. Next are 4 writing intensive courses. Conveniently, several CSE majors include 4 writing intensive classes. You can find those on your 4-year plan, indicated by a W following the course number. So what does writing intensive mean? These courses help you understand what it means to write in various disciplines. It's comprehensively integrated into the course and is a significant part of the coursework and course grade. That doesn't necessarily mean that these courses require more writing than others, just that writing is a specifically graded component of the course. So your grammar, composition, and style are all reviewed. Liberal education requirements include cores and themes. There are 7 liberal education cores, and you need to complete all of them. The cores are biological sciences with a lab, physical sciences with a lab, historical perspectives, social sciences, literature, arts and humanities, and mathematical thinking. These tend to be more subject-focused. So, for example, your biological science course might be about human, plant, or animal biology. There are 5 liberal education themes. You need to complete 4 of them. The themes are civic life and ethics, diversity and social justice in the United States, the environment, global perspectives, technology, and society. Investigating these topics helps prepare you to become more knowledgeable, ethical, and engaged public citizens. To complete your liberal education requirements efficiently, we encourage you to select courses that we like to call double dippers. That means it's a course that satisfies more than one liberal education requirement. So a core and a theme. An important note about double dippers is that a course can only satisfy one core and one theme at a time, not 2 from either category. Next are CSE requirements. All CSE majors require some combination of math, physics, and chemistry as the foundational coursework, but which exact classes you need for these subjects can change based on the major. Most majors also include some computer programming, whether that's in the form of a specific computer science course or incorporated into other courses. CSE has developed 4-year plans for each major to help you understand degree requirements and a path for how you can complete your degree in 4 years. You're going to review those in an upcoming video. Another CSE requirement is that you take CSE 1001, a first-year experience course. This class is designed to get you acquainted with the college, help you meet and connect with other first-year students, and give you a place to address your questions and concerns as you get started. All of you will register for that class when you complete orientation and register for your fall schedule. And lastly are your major requirements. When you look at a 4-year plan, you'll see courses specific to the major you're considering. And these major-specific courses usually begin in the sophomore year. Every single class listed on a plan is required to complete that major. And every major also has a certain number of technical or emphasis electives. These are upper division courses that you will select from a list of options that help narrow your focus in your final semesters. So next, we're going to look at a couple different ways for you to understand and review the degree requirements for your program here in the college.